Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PowerPoint Slide Navigator workflow for faster presentations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type PowerPoint Slide Navigator download. Press the Enter key to initiate the search. Look for the official site or trusted sources for the Slide Navigator. Click on the link to the official download page. Ensure that the page you land on is legitimate and secure. Locate the download button on the website. Click on the download button to start the process. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the downloaded file, often labeled as Slide Navigator. Double-click, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During installation, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. Select your preferred options as you proceed through the installation wizard. After the installation is finished, open Microsoft PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, look for the newly installed Slide Navigator tool. You may find it in the toolbar or under the Add-ins menu. Click on the Slide Navigator icon to launch it. Familiarize yourself with its interface and features. Begin creating or editing your presentation using the Slide Navigator. Utilize its tools for a more efficient workflow. Save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. You are now ready to create faster and more organized presentations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.